Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Math for Today. Remember, our LEQ for this week is how can I identify and describe shapes? So today, that's what we're really going to be focusing on. We're going to quickly review the shapes that you did last week with Senora Castaño, and then we're going to start practicing our new shape that we learned yesterday, which is a cylinder. So really quick, you could see I already drew my sphere up at the top. And remember, a sphere is going to be like a basketball or soccer ball, balloon, apple, eyeballs. I try to pull things that I saw you guys saying in the videos to Senora Castaño. And remember, we can describe it by saying it has 0 faces, there are no flat surfaces, 0 vertices, there are no corners or edges, and 0 edges. So that is our sphere. Underneath the sphere, we have a cube. And we talked about things that could be a cube would be an ice cube, dice, a box, or a present. And then a cube has 6 faces. So it's our flat surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 faces, and think of a dice. A dice has 6 different numbers on it. And then our vertices are the corners, are the points where the faces come together. And it has 8 vertices. So on this side, you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 4 more on the back side. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we talked about the edges, and the edges are kind of like the sides in a flat shape. So it's the straight lines. And on a cube, there are 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that was our cube. And then yesterday, we learned all about what do we call this shape? A cylinder. Yes, this is called a cylinder. It's a little bit tricky because when the first sound says S, but I did write letter C. It's just kind of a silly word like that. So this is a cylinder, and we talked about it having how many faces? Remember, those are our flat sides. So a cylinder has 2 faces. 1, 2. Good. And our vertices, does it have any vertices? Are there any points? Nope, 0 vertices and 0 edges. So your job today, my friend, is to find 3 cylinders in your house and then describe it to me. So I want to hear you saying that it has 2 faces, 0 vertices, 0 edges, and you could even show me how you can stand it up. Or when it's put sideways, it could even roll. So to help you out, I found some cylinders in my house, and I'm going to show you those. So the first one I found was a soda can. It has 2 flat surfaces, one on the top and one on the bottom, and it has 0 vertices or edges. Another one I found was my water bottle. You guys have seen this a lot. It's a cylinder, but it's kind of weird because it's 2 different shapes, but I was really thinking my straw. It has 2 faces, 2 flat surfaces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices. If I turned it sideways, it would roll. Another one I found were my cleaning wipes. So again, on the top and the bottom, we have 2 flat faces, 0 vertices, and 0 edges. I could put it on its side and I can roll it. And then the last one I found was like a lotion or lots of candles, stuff like that. You'll have 2 flat surfaces, faces, and it can roll on its side. 0 edges and 0 vertices. So tell me again, what's the name? A cylinder. Good. So your job now is to go find at least 3 cylinders in your house and describe them to me by posting a video. I can't wait to watch it, guys. See you later.